If you want to sign in to GOG quickly and without confusion, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're accessing your library, checking your purchases, or just getting back into your account, signing in is simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the website loads, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see the sign in button, which is usually shown with a person icon. Move your cursor over that sign in area to open the drop-down menu. When the drop-down appears, click the button that says sign in. This will open the login window where you can enter your account details. Now type in your username, your email address, and your password in the pop-up window. Make sure everything is entered correctly, especially if you have saved multiple passwords or use more than one email address. After you've filled in your details, go ahead and submit the form to complete the login process. If your information is correct, you'll be taken straight into your GOG account, where you can access your game's account settings and purchase history. If you run into any trouble, double check that you're on the official GOG website and that your login information is correct. It's also a good idea to make sure your browser is up to date and that your password manager, if you use one, is entering the right credentials. And that's it. You've now signed into GOG successfully. It only takes a few moments once you know the exact steps, and now you can get back to your games without any hassle. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.